All right, what's up, you guys? Hope everyone is doing well. Going to be going over today's price action. I did not take any trades as it was straight chop, and I'll get into the reason why I didn't take any trades. But yeah, let's talk about it. Wow, really still chopping. Jeez. All right, so as market opened, I was looking to see a couple of things. My bias was fundamentally bearish, but also could be bullish given that we put in an SMT at these hourly lows with ES. So we'll see what happens. We could either go higher or we could validate this SMT, which I think is what will happen given this low resistance liquidity on ES. But I was essentially looking to play either side of this down move here. So we took out London. We were expecting search and destroy conditions given that we took out London and Asia highs, both pre-market. So normally when that happens, you can expect the market to chop or for it to just be lower probability conditions. We also did have 10 a.m. as well as 8:15 news today. And we also have Trump speaking at 2:30. So those very could well all be catalysts for market chopping. What I wanted to see was simply just a continuation model. So price come back up to the 5-minute highest time frame inversion down to this 4-hour hourly low that we had. Or if we were going to be bullish, I'd want to see us manipulate lower, take out this low resistance liquidity to then go higher to the unfilled 5-minute as well as this just low resistance liquidity. So price opened, we came up and I believe we tapped the 5-minute. Yep. And then I was looking for the highest time frame inversion. We did get this 30-second here. And I faded this because the close was really bad. Like we closed all the way down here. And I could get a 1-to-1, yes. But I just wasn't really confident in this, given the way that price was setting up prior to open. We have nothing open on the 5-minute, nothing even open on the 4-minute. We did have this 3-minute also, which I noticed. So I would maybe want to take the 3-minute, but after not just flushing through this 3-minute at open, I was kind of just looking to stay patient. Also with 10 a.m. news. So my rule generally is to always wait for 10 a.m. red folder news unless it's like screaming super A plus, high time frame tap of PD ray or drawing liquidity, high time frame SMT aligned with a low time frame SMT, highest time frame inversion, like super clean price action, clear low resistance liquidity targeting either previous session highs and lows or equal highs, equal lows, data highs, data lows. We didn't have any of that, simply just 5-minute, 30-second, and we literally could have respected the 3-minute. So I didn't take this. And then we simply just respected the 3-minute. So great fade. From there, I was simply just waiting to see either side of the range get taken, and we literally just chopped. And so we took out this internal high, put an SMT at these highs with this candle here on ES, so over here. After that, we opened up, I think it was like a 3-minute. I was seeing if we could open up this 5-minute here, and we did open up a 5-minute. And then after that, I don't know why we're not showing it on the ES or on the Q. We held this 5-minute. So after that, I was just like, all right, that's pretty much it. I noticed we opened up a 3-minute, so now we're just going to bounce between the 3-minute and the 5-minute. We're already bouncing inside a 15-minute, a 5-minute, as well as holding SMTs on either side. We also had an SMT at these lows here. Sorry, where is it? I believe, yeah, these lows here. So, I mean, simply just like choppy conditions, but played well. And then we didn't even take out this internal low. This had the 30-second equal lows that were formed. So, yeah, super textbook, no trade day. We didn't tap any high time frame key PD array, so simply just sitting on my hands, being patient. In terms of the rest of the week, interesting. So this 4-hour candle looks like it's going to close bullish here. This SMT is now valid. I think that we probably will go and finish this buy model here this week. If we don't finish it this week, we'll finish it next week, but this buy side draw is still my target. So I'd like to see us fly through this candle, and then maybe we can like chop around this high, get a retrace into a high time frame fair value gap or PD array, or maybe a previous session manipulation. Tomorrow we get like a New York manipulation to go higher to these draws. So yeah, no trade today. Pretty unfavorable price action, but stayed patient, had good habits, and that's all that really matters at the end of the day. Trading is starting to get pretty boring mentally now. I'm still on these combines, just waiting for my setup. But the fact of the matter is that profitable trading is supposed to be boring, not supposed to be feeling all giddy, hopping into bad setups. Simply just staying patient for my model, and the money's going to come when I simply just stay patient and take high quality setups. So hopefully we can get some setups tomorrow and Friday to get off these combines, to get back onto some live accounts so I can start printing some money again. But until then, we're just staying patient, waiting for A+ setups, not taking any nonsense, and yeah, that's going to be it. So if you guys watch this video, thanks for watching. Hopefully you gained something from this on this no trade day. No trade days are super important in my model because I'm normally taking only 2 to 3 trades a week. So I have an edge when I'm sitting out in low probability conditions, allowing me to save capital for those times when those A+ setups present themselves, allowing me to net the millions. So that's going to be it for today. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.